is a bright sunny day here in Krabi, and we are off on an exciting one-day tour to the famous Phi Phi Islands. It includes free pick-up and drop from the hotel, beautiful islands, complimentary breakfast and lunch, snorkeling, and all the adventure you could ask for. And the best part, we are doing it all by a speedboat. We booked the tour from a tourist information center which is located in front of the Manitel resort. We paid a total of 1400 baht per person, which is roughly 3500 in Indian currency, and it includes the compulsory 400 baht entry fee to Marine National Park. We had a light breakfast here at the pier with options of tea, bread, biscuits and sweet dishes of local cuisine.
Okay, 7 different stops on all 3 islands. Everybody call Phi Phi Island, but actually they have 2 Phi Phi. It's not just only one. Bamboo Island, Phi Phi Dawn Island, Phi Phi Lay Island. We have 3 stops at Phi Phi Dawn Island and after 3 more stops in the afternoon at Phi Phi Lay Island. Bamboo Island, that is 100%, that will be the first destination in the trip today. There are short distance from here, about just 25 minutes with the speedboat. We do snorkeling at the second stop. Middle. And after that, we get on Phi Phi Dawn Island for lunch. After lunch, the 4th place, we are going to Monkey Bay. And the 7th place, they are in Phi Phi Lay Island. Okay. Maya Bay, that will be the 1st place. We need to very quickly to do it because you will see up to 4,500 tourists who will visiting Maya Bay every day.
The tour guide briefed us about the day's itinerary and we got ready for a day of island hopping. And we are off. The ride is smooth and the wind in our hair feels amazing as we speed across the Andaman Sea towards our first destination, the Bamboo Island.
Up there on the big mountains, most of them, that is the bamboo tree and beautiful white sand beach. The sand is very nice because it's like the powder. We don't need shoes, so we can take a shoes off and go on the sand without shoes. And this is the swimming area, very clear blue water in the front of the island. It's just a very good place for swimming. Yellow line, yellow balloon, that is the safe zone. In the end of the beach is very nice place to take a picture because you will see the Phi Phi Dawn Island. And another one island is right here is the background of your picture. Okay, it's free time, 45 minutes.
So we have come to our first stop, the Bamboo Island. Here turquoise blue water and white sand. It is very beautiful. So you must come here and visit this place.
The island is like a postcard come to life with soft white sand and clear turquoise water. It's almost unreal. The ladies of a family excitedly started collecting some seashells. Baba and Sudip took a dip in the water and rest of us just soaked up some sun before moving on. After that, our speedboat moved to the most awaited adventure of the trip, that is snorkeling.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start! বোমা তুমি দড়ি ছেড়ে এদিকে আসো আমি যাচ্ছি দাঁড়া যেটা মানে তুমি উঠে আসো সেই জন্য বলছি
Point to remember here, if you do not know how to swim, it is better not to jump into the waters. With the life jacket, though it is impossible to drown, but it is also difficult to spot the underwater corals. And for those who dived into the waters, it was a sight to behold. The amazing underwater world of Phi Phi with colorful fish and beautiful corals is definitely a thing to explore. After all that adventure, it's time to refuel. Our speedboat stopped at Phi Phi Dawn for a delicious buffet lunch setup in a restaurant. The lunch too is complimentary. The lunch menu surpassed our expectations. There was a mix of Thai dishes with some international favorites of chicken recipes. It also included Indian vegetarian options like rice, dal, vegetable curry, so there was something for everyone. After lunch, we strolled across the Phi Phi Dawn Island. There are beautiful resorts and restaurants in the island for a peaceful stay. One can buy souvenirs or try kayaking or even visit the nearby islands in traditional longtail boats. After that, we hopped in our respective speedboats to go to the next destination of the day, the Monkey Bay. Now, this is something different, the Monkey Beach. As you can guess, it's home to a bunch of cheeky monkeys. The monkeys looked similar to the macaque monkeys that we saw in Bali, Indonesia. Monkeys are quite common in India, but maybe not so common in European nations. It was interesting to see the excitement of the European tourists seeing the macaque monkeys at the bay.
Okay, we're gonna turn around the board and we reverse the board to that side forward.
Next, we were cruising to go to the next destination of the day, the Maya Bay, which needs no introduction. It's famous for being the filming location of the movie The Beach. It needs a bit of walking to get to the beach area. It becomes extremely humid during the day, but the canopy of the trees along the way provides relief from the scorching heat of the sun. Finally, the picture-perfect Maya Bay was in front of our eyes. We can't swim over here as it is heavily infested by sharks and jellyfish, but we can definitely take in the scenery and snap some beautiful pictures.
What are you trying to do? What's your name?
Smart.
Where are you from? You are from which country? What's your name?
Smart.
Nice.
Over here, the water, the cliffs, the sand, everything looks like a dream. No matter how much you stay over here, it'll never be enough. So, after spending some quality time by the Maya Bay, we proceeded to our next destination, the Philae Lagoon.
Hello, it's time to go.
Next, we arrived at the Philae Lagoon. Look at the towering cliffs. It felt like a hidden paradise. The water is calm and perfect for a quick swim. This time, after lunch, many of us remained in the boat, while others swam in the emerald waters. Some clicked pictures with the speedboat, while others gazed enthusiastically at the swimmers. Fun and glee filled the whole atmosphere. Next, we were cruising by the Viking Cave. It is not allowed to go inside, but it's cool to see from the boat. It's famous for the harvesting of birds' nests, which are considered a Thai delicacy. And just like that, our incredible day exploring Phi Phi Islands came to an end. We were speeding back to Krabi, but this has been an unforgettable adventure. Between the snorkeling, the lagoons and the stunning beaches, it's been a perfect way to experience the magic of Thailand.